Now let us derive an expression for surface energy. As we have seen, the soap film pulls the metal wire with a force. Let's suppose it displaces the metal wire by distance x. The length of the metal wire is L. We know that work done equals force into displacement. We also know that surface tension equals force by length. Rearranging the equation, we get force equals surface tension into 2L. We multiply the equation by 2 because the soap film has two surfaces. Inputting the value of force in the first equation, we get work done equals surface tension into 2L into displacement. Now, the term 2Lx is just the increase in surface area. So we can write the equation as work done equals surface tension into increase in surface area. We can write the work done as the surface energy, which equals surface tension into increase in surface area. Rearranging the equation, we get surface tension equals surface energy per increase in unit area.